Everybody fucking jump!
Welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. As you know, it's shoe time. Let's get you a little bit of box action. Let that focus a little bit better. Let me get you guys closer. This is one that everybody wants to see first. Let me get you some box action. Booyah. Those of you who know sneakers just by looking at the box should know what type of shoes these are. Or what type of shoes these is. The shoe reads the Air Jordan 4 Retro White Black Neutral Gray, aka the Jordan 4 Military Blacks. Guys, make sure you go down there, hit that like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on none of these videos. Like I said, we're going to be doing every shoe, every GR guaranteed, as long as I got time. I'm still going to bring you the PEs and the samples now too. And travel and get them now. This shoe, I had 200 pairs. I had over 200 pairs. They all sold out instantaneous. Still getting some pairs now. Every pair of this shoe I see sitting, I grab. I don't understand how people are letting this shoe sit. The shoe's going for insane over retail. A couple $100 over retail. Some stores, I think online it's about like 150, 160 bucks above retail. Let me cut this light out so you guys get the shoe in its full majesty. I don't know why this shoe does so good. People usually love 4s. The Thunder 4s. And I had a pair of Oreo 4s. They didn't do this good. I don't know why people love this shoe so much. I wasn't able to get a shoe in my actual size. I had to get two 12.5s, and I might unload these because 12.5s is super money size. And I know I'm going to run into a whole bunch more. This shoe sold so good I couldn't even keep my usual 11.5 because I usually have an influx of 11.5s. I couldn't keep any of this shoe. As soon as this came out, I don't know how I kept finding them sitting. I found at least 60 pairs sitting.
Everybody fucking jump!